Oh, hello there again. Today I figured I'd give a little tour of my Ertl tractor collection. I just started collecting them, last year. Fun little hobby to do. I've had this John Deere A since I was little, but other than that, all these other ones I've gotten in the last year or so. Up here on the top shelf, we have an International 656 with a disc harrow hooked up behind it. Farmall H that's been repainted, but if you go to buy one anymore, a real one, it's going to be repainted anyway, so I think that's pretty accurate how it would look. I mean, other than a real one wouldn't be painted silver on the engine. Here's a little mini Farmall H 164. I think this one's pretty old because of the hard plastic wheels on it, but not too sure. I got that off eBay. Got this one here at Tractor Supply the other day, International. I'd say it's probably a 656 or around there. It isn't numbered. New Holland with the loader, got real cheap. Farmall F20, original color. I wish it would have the steel wheels on it, but I was watching all these videos on YouTube, guys with their Farmall collections, and I never really liked the F20, but it's growing on me, so I bought a model one, and I like it. Another International 656 wide front end wagon behind it, and I have a Ertl red wagon back there. And down here we have a 164 John Deere riding mower and a Ertl 116 John Deere 300. Similar to the ride mower I have, but mine's a 318, a little bit newer than the 300. It's seen its better days, but for the most part, it's all there. And we have a bigger John Deere. I'm guessing this one's not numbered, but I'm guessing it'd probably be around a 1520, maybe a little bit bigger than that. But it's got a couple of rough spots on it. It's been played with. Then we have a John Deere 4010 diesel. It's one of my favorites. It has the yellow roof on it. But when I got it in the mail, the tire here was broke off of it. All these other ones I bought, very well packaged. This one here, the guy just threw it in the box, didn't have any bubble wrap, nothing in it. I wasn't too happy about that, but overall, it's very good shape. Very nice, clean tractor. Then a little Tonka John Deere with a loader on it. I'm guessing this one's pretty old because it has steel and plastic mixed together. And the John Deere A. Let's move down to the Farmalls. These are my favorite. Farmall Cub, Farmall Super A, Farmall B, Farmall Super C, Farmall H, Farmall Super MTA, Farmall BN, Farmall 200, the Farmall 300. It took me a while to find one of every model. These things can be pretty expensive, even brand new. But there's a mix of old and new here. This B I bought brand new. It ain't built the best, it's from China, but it's Ertl. And the Farmall Super MTA here, it's not really built the best either. It was made in China, but it's the biggest one here, and it's also the lightest one. Even the Cub's heavier than the MTA, but I like it. I was looking for an M, but I couldn't really find too many of them that they didn't want a couple $100 for. But the exhaust is broke off of it, and my Super C, the exhaust is broke off of that too. But for the most part, the other ones are all there, no pieces broken off. Most of these were collectors. Very few of them were played with. I like my BN. It has a single wheel in the front, tricycle. Last year I went and looked at a real BN, had a companion seat on the side of it, buddy seat. They wanted $2,400 for it, and I didn't really want to spend that much just for a tractor to pull a wagon. It didn't have a PTO or anything, just a drawbar. So if they would have had it a little bit cheaper, I probably would have bought it. But the newest one I got is a 200 here. But I don't know. I like them all. Down here, we have a yellow and white Cub.